In a peaceful forest, a clever parrot lived high in a tree. Below, hidden in the grass, a hungry snake watched him closely. One day, the snake called out, "Come down, little parrot. I've found a treasure for you." The parrot looked down and replied, "A treasure? You must think I'm foolish." The snake hissed sweetly, "No tricks, I promise." Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more short stories. The parrot laughed. "The only treasure I see is my life, and I plan to keep it." Suddenly, the snake lunged, but the parrot flew high just in time. The snake missed and slithered away, defeated. The parrot soared freely above the trees. Moral of the story: trust is earned, not given.